Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7th. Welcome to online classes of Dan Public School and College. Grade 7th. As you know that we had completed the reading and translation of unit number 2, The Miller, His Son and Their Donkey. Now we will move to the exercise, and as you know that we had already done the comprehension focus and sentences. Now move to the exercise activities. Our next topic is topic and supporting details. What is topic sentence? The main idea of a paragraph is called a topic sentence. Other sentences in a paragraph support the topic sentence. These are called supporting details. किसी भी गिवन पैराग्राफ का जो मेन आइडिया होता है, मरकज़ी ख्याल जो होता है, वो उस पैराग्राफ का टॉपिक सेंटेंस होता है। मींस एक पैराग्राफ में एक ही टॉपिक के बारे में बात की जाती है और उस सेंटेंस में बकाया जितने भी सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स. So students, what is topic sentence? The main idea of a paragraph is called topic sentence. And other sentences in a paragraph support the topic sentence are called supporting details. Let's move to the exercise. This is page number 11 of your book, and you are given a sentence paragraph here. The first sentence of this paragraph is the topic sentence of the given paragraph. जो पहला सेंटेंस है इस पैराग्राफ का, वही इसका मेन आइडिया है, वही इसका मरकज़ी ख्याल है और इसी सेंटेंस के हवाले से बकाया तमाम इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दी जा रही है. इसी सेंटेंस के बारे में बात की जा रही है गिवन पैराग्राफ में. दो टॉपिक सेंटेंस गिवन पैराग्राफ का क्या है? इफ़ यू ट्राई टू प्लीज़ एवरीवन यू विल प्लीज़ नो वन. अब बकाया जितने भी सेंटेंसेस हैं इस पैराग्राफ में, ये इस टॉपिक सेंटेंस को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. इसी के बारे में हमें क्लियर कर रहे हैं कि अगर हम हर किसी को खुश करना चाहें तो हम किसी एक को भी खुश नहीं कर सकते. Students, we had find out the topic sentence of this paragraph. Let's move to the supporting sentences or supporting details. It is hard to please everyone in every situation. Being polite and nice to everyone is good, but it doesn't work every time. Try to decide logically or rationally and then stick to your decision. Don't make illogical change in your decision just to please others. So students, first sentence is the main idea of the given paragraph and it is called topic sentence. The topic sentence of this paragraph is, if you try to please everyone, you will please no one. And remaining all sentences are support the topic sentence. So these are called supporting details or supporting sentences. Let's move to the homework, grade 7th. Your homework is, you have to read the paragraph number 2 of unit number 2 and write topic sentence and supporting detail of this paragraph on your assignment file. Thank you very much.